At night, the sky flares with reasons to believe in God. Jet planes that cut through the black like a knife through cloth, because he is cruel and gave us the noose that we needed to hang ourselves, or else gave them the rope to hang us, and watched as creation writhed, a fish on its hook. Sometimes it flares with better reasons. Pinprick stars that slip through the fog and wink as if to say, remember when looking up meant looking out? Constellations that move in the dead of the dark into the shape of a lover's face, your mother's, your father's, a cornucopia of people who love you and are loved back. If you squint on the right kind of evening, you can just make them out. Round eyes looking back at a planet that left them. Buildings obscure the rest of the view like a thumbprint smudge across a mirror. Little figures glittering before the void at their windows. All their want pressed against the glass, so dense with desire you can almost see them suffocate. Tell yourself not to think about it. Lose that game. Start over. Lose again. Watch the green shoot of a weed push its way through a crack on the street. Try to smile. Take another step. Feel the city shift beneath you. She has her own ideas about what should greet us. She was fed by greed, and it isn't her fault. I want to touch the ground. I want to kiss the dirt that hides behind the concrete and beg the buildings for reprieve. Instead, I get up, I brush my teeth, and I start the walk towards Maggie. Every day we don't wake up just to scream is a miracle, which means we are all miraculous. Eating breakfast and trimming our nose hair in a dirty bathroom mirror and smiling at a pudgy dog that passes in the street and choosing between two near identical pairs of socks. Miracles.
Are you sick and tired of turning on your taps only to find nothing comes out? Want something that will get the dreary, dirty taste of all that rationed water out of your mouth? Well, look no further. Here at Thirst Tea, we're revolutionizing the world of hydration. Just one easy purchase of $79.99, and we'll fit your pipes with the latest in drinks technology. Now,
when the government declares a drought,
you can just flip a switch and get yourself a glass of our patented Thirst Tea Thirst Destroyer, coming in 3 fresh and fancy flavors: outrageous orange, satisfying strawberry, and blue. We suit any and all tastes, whether you want to wash your kids, your dog, or yourself. We offer more than just hydration. Visit our website for more details and get ahead of demand before summer heats up.
Last night, I wept for Taylor Swift. And for every man named Bob. And every woman named Katie. For next Thursday. And for last July when the sun throbbed over the world like an aching bruise and made us all burn to pay for the pain. Will it hurt less now we can see it coming? Knowing we haven't collided yet, but can taste the dust of the impending implosion? Will we learn to live without mourning what we were too late to change? Each day feels less certain than the last. One day I'll wake up to find I've been building on something that's vanished. A place, a person, a planet. The road up front curves like a hunched spine, its ending obscured from view. Every metaphor seems wrong now. Life as a game, as a dream, as a gift, as a highway you want to ride all night long. I don't know anymore how to beg for what was promised. Something burst inside like a berry plucked from a bush and squashed beneath a heel. The belief that things would be okay because we asked for them to be. I guess I'll never recover from who I could have been. All the same, I walk towards Maggie. taking a breath that sticks in my teeth. Ahead, there's still a place where the sky kisses the grass, like it's not ready to say goodbye. Everything you've ever wanted existing somewhere, someplace on a map we've lost our way through.
My toys are so boring. They don't move, they don't sing, and they're not even designed to withstand the impending rising heat crisis. I am so fed up with having nothing and no one to play with. I wish there was something new and exciting that was about to enter my life in the next few seconds. Oh my God! It's Robo Bobo Bojo Dog! Looking for a way to keep your kids entertained and safe? Look no further than our patented line of Robo Bobo Bojo Dogs. These furry friends are equipped with all the latest tricks to keep the little ones occupied for the rest of the year. They'll sing you a song, dance on command, bark at their little sister, and even warn the whole fam of impending ecological doom, and give you directions to the nearest shelter space. We're even doing a special 20% off discount for tsunami season. Act fast. I love you, Robo Bobo Bojo Dog!
Over time, you start to spot the signs. Optimism falling away like meat rotting from bone, stripping the carcass clean and leaving nothing but bleached and blessed acceptance. Statistics are the new static, buzzing in my ear for a moment before they're gone. Out of existence. You can't swallow the whole world. Even while it swallows you. There has to be a limit. There's always been a limit. Next comes the elation. Not caring. Not knowing how not to care. Turning trash piles into nuisances and hurricanes into hail with a simple trick of perspective. Every day becomes a day you don't live, but let happen. Wading through this earth like its rot isn't catching. There's only so long that this stage can hold, though. Wait until midnight and all that shimmering glitter turns back into dirt. Maggie gets it. Mornings spent catching cans on the side of the pavement like it's roadkill. Afternoons agitating her office over mandatory recycling plans and pulling pleasure out of rations. Days where she asks me to meet her in a place where green does not fight for space but luxuriates, where the dirt is the earth and the earth is everything. The temporary apathy is easier, she says, but holding on harder can only hurt. It's what they want. That amorphous cloud of bad decisions and capitalist brains. They will burn your world down, she says, and then beg you to pretend there are no flames. So, I let myself get stuck in the fire.
Days in bed, nights on the town, a cold glass of white. Your mother's smile when you take a big bite. Birthday cake baked with love. Burnt bacon on a Sunday morning. Sneaking a chip from your brother's plate. Laughing so hard you snort juice through your nose. Sprinkles. An unexpected cupcake. Lunch paid for by the boss. Waking up to the smell of pancakes. Going to bed with a grin on your face. Yeah, we miss it too. That's why here at Future Food, we're doing our best to give you back what you've lost. Our new protein bars give you all the flavors of your old favorite meals at half the price of the actual ingredients. Now, instead of spending half your paycheck and your entire day searching the supermarket for that rare bag of sugar, you can save the time for the things and the people that actually matter. Future Food, because we care about your future.
I went on a date last week. After drinks, he walked me home, slinging his jacket around my shoulders where it hung like animal skin. A sky the colour of ash followed us. refusing to acquiesce to its slither of the moon. It went like every conversation I've been having with myself. Do you want kids? Do you see the continued existence of humanity as a foolish endeavour or the hope that binds us all? Do you eat meat? Smoke? Drink? Do nothing but repeat the names of your loved ones like a litany, as if you ever really believed prayer was enough? We went through the motions, all that tight-lipped grinning and sounding out the shape of our respective planned futures like they were still in reach. I told him a story about my childhood, a snapshot of a holiday gone wrong. The day the jellyfish washed ashore, their corpses smearing pink across the sand. My greatest enemies when alive. I'd screech at the smallest brush of seaweed for fear of being stung. But when I looked at them, glistening like freshly popped pustules, I started to cry. Before then, I guess, I didn't realise you could be sad when something you hated was dead. That's why I can't want us all to burn. I never have. Not even when I was knee-deep in teenage nihilism did I get pleasure from the world's wounds. Some people are just born melancholic, and the rest have melancholy thrust upon them when they turn on the 6 o'clock news. I'll toast to that, with Maggie later, if I manage to make it through the smog and to the grass. If I get to that somewhere, and someday.
Okay, let's cut through all the rubbish. Times are tough. The tides are rising, the forest is on fire, and your mother-in-law won't stop criticizing the color of your brand new cushions. That's why Get Some Help is here. Our unique online counseling service offers you 24-hour access to our anxiety professionals who will talk through every problem, from your fears over raising children in a world that is guaranteed to slowly die, to wondering whether your girlfriend Becky hates you. We're here for you. Don't wait till it's too late. Give us half your monthly paycheck and we'll fix those problems for you. And guess what? Until the end of wildfire season, you'll receive a free spray bottle with every year-long subscription. Now you can fight the fires in your yard and your brain.
A little bird on a wire, tilting your head to the sun. A breeze making your hair waltz. The soft velvet underside of a leaf, like brushing your fingers against a baby's downy hair. Salt smell, so strong it clings to the throat. Those sense memories come to me any time I start to forget why I care. Sometimes I dream that my body is a being that grows from the earth. My brain is a fungus, my spine is a flower's stem, and my fingernails are thorns. What do I do with that knowledge? That I don't know how, and I don't know why, but I came from this earth, and I can't just let it leave us. I am so angry. All that love had to go somewhere, overflowing until it spilled straight into rage. I don't blame it. Anger is love crystallized. Love strong enough to move into action. It takes outrage to move your legs, leave your home, venture outside and try to find some green space. I laugh because I'm angry. I cry because I'm angry. I love because I'm angry. I wake up in the morning and I set off to meet Maggie because I am so angry that they think they can take this from me. Elsewhere, someone is born who deserves a planet where they can survive. Over here, the quiet on the streets is a love song. Ahead, the years unfurl like petals blooming. We have the time to try. I think I can hear Maggie, her laugh and the scent of grass travelling with the wind. Quicker I move. I am done with waiting.
You have reached the end of your free listening minutes. For a small fee, you can access millions of hours of great content.